We are in a war. This is a war with Mother Nature. And this will go down in history as the most devastating storm in Buffalo's long storied history of having battled many battles, many major storms. The winds have almost hit 80 miles an hour. That is a record. The longevity of this storm, the longest blizzard in our history. We think back, those who have been following weather for a long time, the blizzard of 77 was the one that everyone referenced, the blizzard of 77. I had a t-shirt that said I survived the blizzard of 77. I'll be having a t-shirt made for this year for all the survivors and the people who battled through the blizzard of 2022.